Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna be making Japan's famous choco bread. It's an amazing chocolate bread, more like a dessert or brownie. Super soft, chocolatey, gooey, and they like it to be a bit raw in the middle. But maybe we're gonna bake it a little bit more. So let's get into this, shall we? The night before, with pinch of yeast, flour and water, I'm gonna make pre-fermented dough called poolish. And the next day, we have an active poolish ready to go. Next thing for this recipe, I'm gonna make Yudane. 30 gram boiling water, 30 gram flour, mix it very well. Cover up with cooling sheet and let it cool down. Finally, time to mix the dough. Bring a bowl. To that, I'm gonna add 10 gram sugar, 5 gram salt, followed by 160 gram water. To that, I'm gonna add my poolish, about 60 grams, and of course my softener, Yudane. For dry ingredients, I have 10 gram dark cocoa powder plus 280 gram bread strong flour. Again, mix. Use your hands as usual and bring the dough together. Now that the dough comes together, time to bring it on the surface and introduce 30 gram butter to the dough. Of course, it's room temperature butter. Time to knead this bad boy a good 8 to 10 minutes. If you have stand mixer, again, feel free to use it. But if you use your hands, I think it's more fun. Now that the dough is smooth and elastic and gain some beautiful strength, into the bowl and let it rest for 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, the dough is a bit relaxed. Time to bring it on the surface. As you can see, it's super elastic. And I'm gonna round it up with the help of the surface one more time. Like so, we create more tension. Into the bowl and let it finish its ball fermentation around 4 hours. My room temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius. It has to rise, be puffy and bouncy. Then bring it on the surface and separate it in 2 beautiful pieces. You can use a roller and open it up. And now time to introduce my beautiful ganache made with dark chocolate, little bit of milk and butter, and of course a little bit of honey for sweetness. Spread the healthy amount of that ganache, followed by a little bit of nuts if you like. Go ahead and roll it and tuck it. Seal the edges properly. And I'm going to create a little bit more tension. Into the Pullman pan and let it proof. One of these pan with the lid works better. This is the one I tried to be creative with the shaping, and after like 6 hours at 26 degrees Celsius, it's ready to bake. 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. If you want it to be a bit raw in the middle, you can bake it for shorter time, like 25 minutes. But make sure it's cooked at least 70%. Look at this. It's super cloudy and soft. And all of those beautiful chocolates on every single layers. It's a smell like heaven. And it tastes amazing. 10 out of 10. Of course, this is not 100% original Japan Choco bread. That's, I can say, a bit more gooey, but I love it. And this is another version, a bit less moist. I guess that was it. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.